Oh! The snow hit my eye. It's still raining snow. Wanna see? See that one? There is no perfect snow for it. But yeah, I'll check later. Waterproof naman ata yung pants mo eh. My nose are crying. Trenton, New Jersey. Sa Trenton po ito, New Jersey, due to some blizzard warning since yesterday at 2 p.m. until now ongoing pa din. You're cold? Really cold?
Basta ang loob na ito.
Oh, look how thick. Oh, oh my god. Kompleto pa naman yung ano. Grabe po snow dyan, nakakatawa. Siguro sa first time, nakakatawa. Pero pag matagal ka na kasi dito, hassle din siya. Oh my god. Tapos lalo pa yung mga yun na natabunan. You need to clear that for you to be able to drive. And as well, kailangan ding naka-flow ang daan.